Welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today we're diving into the bold and powerful 2025 Dodge Durango, a full-size SUV that's always had a reputation for muscle, and now it's coming back with even more attitude, performance, and modern tech. Whether you're a fan of Dodge or just love high-performance SUVs, the 2025 Durango is definitely one to watch. The Dodge Durango has always stood apart from other SUVs by offering serious horsepower and a performance-first design. For 2025, Dodge hasn't strayed from its roots, but it has added a lot of modern flair. From a design standpoint, the 2025 Durango now features a more aggressive front fascia with a redesigned grille and sleeker LED headlights. The body lines are sharper and more aerodynamic, giving it a more commanding road presence. Under the hood, the big news is the return of the Hemi power. The 2025 Durango will continue to offer the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8, but Dodge is also introducing a new generation of plug-in hybrid and turbocharged powertrains. The entry-level models are expected to come with a 3.0-liter inline-six Hurricane engine, delivering strong performance while improving fuel economy. Meanwhile, for the power-hungry drivers, there's talk of a high-performance SRT variant that could deliver over 500 horsepower. Dodge knows its audience, and they're not about to disappoint. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Durango is getting a serious tech upgrade. A larger 14-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, running the latest Uconnect infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's even an available heads-up display, digital gauge cluster, and a premium audio system from Harman Kardon. The interior materials have been refined too. Expect more soft touch surfaces, available leather seating, and customizable ambient lighting. Seating remains comfortable and spacious, with options for 6 or 7 passengers depending on configuration. Fold-down third-row seats provide extra cargo flexibility, making the Durango as practical as it is powerful. Dodge has also made improvements in ride comfort and cabin insulation, giving the 2025 model a quieter and smoother drive, even at highway C speeds. In terms of safety, Dodge isn't holding back. The 2025 Durango includes a full suite of driver assistance features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add parking assist, a 360-degree camera, and traffic sign recognition, features that help make this SUV not only fun to drive, but safe for the whole family. One of the most exciting things about the new Durango is how Dodge is pushing forward while still keeping that classic muscle feel. The plug-in hybrid version promises to deliver both power and efficiency, with expected electric-only range for short trips and full engine power for when you really want to open it up. It's a smart move that keeps the SUV relevant as the market shifts toward electrification. The 2025 Dodge Durango is expected to hit dealerships later this year, with a starting price around $42,000 for base models, while the high-performance trims could cross the $70,000 mark depending on options. That puts it in direct competition with rivals like the Ford Explorer ST, Chevrolet Tahoe, and Jeep Grand Cherokee, but with Dodge's unique performance twist. If you've been waiting for a family SUV that doesn't feel like a compromise, the 2025 Durango could be the one. It's bold, aggressive, high-tech, and powerful. Everything Dodge fans love, but with a modern upgrade. Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates. If you're into powerful SUVs and the latest car reveals, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next video. See you in the next one.